What you're about to witness isn't just about survival. It's a journey to uncover a forgotten power hidden in the wild. In the heart of an unforgiving landscape, one woman seeks a profound truth. To find it, she must build a life from the ground up. The skills she unveils will redefine what you believe is possible. Her first challenge, the crushing silence of a world cloaked in snow. With only the simplest of tools, she begins to shape the elements to her will. Every motion is precise, a testament to her focus and endurance. She moves through the vast emptiness, a solitary figure against the mountains. The task ahead is monumental, to craft a sanctuary from winter's frozen heart. The work is grueling, a constant battle against the biting cold. Slowly, painstakingly, a structure begins to emerge from the snowpack. With her own hands, she sculpts the walls of her future shelter. This is an astonishing act of ingenuity and sheer determination. She carves an entrance, a gateway into the refuge she has created. A moment of rest, a brief pause to survey her incredible progress. Against the epic scale of the mountains, her creation stands as a symbol of resilience. Inside, a sense of peace, a haven of quiet and security. She has conquered the first, and perhaps harshest, trial. The final touches are applied to her masterpiece of snow and ice. The finished igloo stands in silent harmony with the winter landscape. From its dark entrance, a new chapter of her journey begins. She continues her work, her focus unbroken, her spirit unyielding. Her hands have learned the language of the snow, compacting it into solid walls. In the quiet of the forest, she is a force of creation. Two structures now stand, a testament to her tireless efforts. As the sun breaks through, it illuminates the beauty of her accomplishment. But her work is not yet done. There is always more to perfect. This meticulous attention to detail is the secret to true mastery. She is not just building shelter, she is building a home. As twilight descends, she turns to the forest for its final gifts. The trees provide the fuel needed to bring warmth to the cold night. She carries the promise of fire back to her camp. Preparations are made for the approaching darkness. Even in the dark, her hands continue their work, guided by instinct. And then, a transformative moment, the arrival of light and warmth. In this world she has built, even a simple meal becomes a feast. The flickering flame of a small stove holds back the immense cold. She enjoys the rewards of her hard-won sanctuary. Her igloo becomes a beacon of warmth, a jewel in the frozen night. In this solitude, a profound sense of peace and accomplishment is found. When the snows recede, the forest offers a new beginning. Here, sustenance is a reward for skill and patience. Inside her snow shelter, she prepares for a night of rest. In the quiet dark, she finds comfort and safety. This is the hidden world she has created for herself. Morning comes, and she prepares to face the day. A warm drink provides a moment of simple, profound pleasure. It is a small ritual that holds great meaning in the wild. She gazes upon the vast landscape, a world of endless possibility. Now, she must learn the secrets of a new environment, the deep woods. The forest floor provides all the materials she needs. Her hands deftly weave together the beginnings of a new home. A frame begins to take shape, born from the forest itself. This is a different kind of construction, requiring new skills. Her movements are efficient, born of practice and deep understanding. The shelter rises, a testament to her adaptability. She works in harmony with the natural materials around her. Slowly, the structure becomes a cohesive whole. A moment of satisfaction, surveying the fruit of her labor. The shelter now stands ready, a sturdy refuge in the woods. But her journey into the heart of the forest has only just begun. She moves with a quiet confidence, at one with her surroundings. Every piece of wood is chosen with care and purpose. She begins to lay the foundation for her next creation. A new design takes shape, an evolution of her craft. This shelter will be even more integrated with the landscape. She meticulously strengthens the frame, ensuring its integrity. Each detail is considered, each placement deliberate. The structure stands complete, a skeleton awaiting its skin. She now prepares the final elements with practiced skill. The ancient technique of lashing wood creates a powerful bond. The entrance is framed, an invitation into the sanctuary within. This is a display of incredible patience and craftsmanship. Her completed frame stands as a monument to self-reliance. The work is far from over, every piece has its purpose. She continues to build, driven by an inner vision. The final pieces of the structure are carefully put into place. In the fading light, her shelter stands complete. She prepares her tools, ready for the next stage of her work. In her creation, she finds not just shelter, but a sense of belonging. The earth itself provides the next layer of her dwelling. She gathers the fallen grass, nature's own insulation. Her finished work stands proudly among the ancient trees. The transformative power of fire brings life to the shelter. The work continues, always seeking to improve, to strengthen. She now utilizes the stones of the forest, ancient and strong. Every part of the environment has a role to play in her creation. She weaves small branches with incredible, delicate skill. A new location is chosen, one that offers unique advantages. The forest's raw materials are all around, waiting to be shaped. She begins to build upon a foundation of solid rock. This structure will be her most ambitious yet. The roof is constructed, piece by painstaking piece. The result is a work of rustic, breathtaking beauty. Now, she adds the final, living layer to her masterpiece. The shelter is adorned with a blanket of branches, leaves, and moss. It becomes almost indistinguishable from the forest floor. A perfect camouflage, a dwelling that breathes with the woods. This is the ultimate test of her connection to the land. To build a home that doesn't just stand in the forest, but becomes part of it. Inside, she continues her work, crafting the interior. She gathers the final materials needed to complete her vision. She begins to build the hearth, the heart of her new home. The stones are chosen for their strength and resilience. She rests within the walls she has built, a queen in her own castle. The finished structure is a work of breathtaking natural art. The stone wall rises, a testament to her strength and patience. She gathers the living skin of the forest, the vibrant green moss. This final layer will bring her shelter to life. She carefully places the moss upon the roof. The final touches are applied with a master's care. Her creation is now complete, perfectly woven into the fabric of the woods. She brings the gift of fire into her new home. The flames dance, filling the space with warmth and life. After her long labors, she finds a well-earned and peaceful rest. Morning brings a quiet ritual of renewal. This is the hidden reward for her journey. A simple meal, cooked over stone, feels like a banquet. With each new day, her skills grow sharper. In her sanctuary, she enjoys the simple, profound pleasures of her labor. She returns to her work, her purpose clear. She gathers the forest's offerings with a grateful heart. Her search for materials takes her deep into the undergrowth. The work is constant, but it is a labor of love. She carries the weight of her creation on her own shoulders. The powerful swing of her axe reveals her strength and expertise. Each log is another step toward her ultimate goal. The materials are gathered, ready to be transformed. She breaks the earth, preparing the foundation for her next project. The posts are set, an anchor for the structure to come. Her tireless work continues under the forest canopy. Slowly, an impressive new structure begins to take shape. Even her furniture is crafted from the wood of the forest. A simple, elegant design born of necessity and creativity. The roof is thatched with leaves, a waterproof and natural solution. Inside, she works to make her shelter a comfortable home. She summons fire with an ancient and reliable technique. A final touch, a small fence to complete her homestead. Here, in a sun-dappled clearing, her masterpiece begins to unfold. This shelter will be a living structure, woven from the forest itself. Her hands move with a focused grace, tying the frame together. The walls are filled in, creating a cozy and enclosed space. Each piece is placed with intention, strengthening the whole. The area is cleared, a sign of her respect for her home. The arched roof is formed, an elegant and strong design. She works from within, completing the canopy of her shelter. The covering is layered, ensuring it will protect her from the elements. She steps back to admire her work, a structure of profound ingenuity. Now comes the final, transformative touch. She cloaks the shelter in a blanket of living moss. The structure begins to disappear, merging with the forest floor. She inspects her handiwork, ensuring its perfection. The shelter is now almost invisible, a secret hidden in plain sight. This is the pinnacle of her craft, a home that breathes with the forest. Her satisfaction is palpable, her mission accomplished. It is a perfect fusion of human ingenuity and natural beauty. As the rains begin to fall, her work is put to the test. She reinforces the roof, confident in its ability to protect her. She prepares the earth for fire, the ancient source of comfort and warmth. Soon, a small flame dances, pushing back the damp and the cold. Her shelter stands, a testament to what is possible. As night falls, she finds peace by the fire she has created. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Victoria Outside for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.